LDAP. The Lightweight Directory Access Protocol is an application protocol for accessing and maintaining distributed directory information services over an Internet Protocol network. LDAP is specified in a series of Internet Engineering Task Force IETF standard track publications called Request for Comments RFCs, using the description language ASN1. The latest specification is version 3, published as RFC 4511. An example of an LDAP search translated into plain English -search in the company email directory for all people located in Boston, whose name contains Jesse, that have an email address. Please return their full name, email, title, and description. A common usage of LDAP is to provide a single sign-on where one password for a user is shared between many services, such as applying a company login code to web pages so that staff log in only once to company computers, and then are automatically logged into the company intranet. X500 directory services were traditionally accessed via the 10500 Directory Access Protocol Ldap, which required the Open Systems Interconnection OSI protocol stack. LDAP was originally intended to be a lightweight alternative protocol for accessing X500 directory services through the simpler and now widespread TCP/IP protocol stack. Standalone LDAP directory servers soon followed, as did directory servers supporting both Ldap and LDAP. The latter has become popular in enterprises, as LDAP removed any need to deploy an OSI network. Today, X500 directory protocols including Ldap can also be used directly over TCP/IP. Protocol Overview. A client starts an LDAP session by connecting to an LDAP server, called a Directory System Agent DSA, by default on TCP port and UDP port 389. The client then sends an operation request to the server, and the server sends responses in return. With some exceptions, the client does not need to wait for a response before sending the next request, and the server may send the responses in any order. All information is transmitted using basic encoding rules BER.